Most people walk past these cars and only see a headache. They see rust, dry rotted tires, and engines that haven't breathed in decades. But we know better. We know that under that dust is a second chance waiting to happen. These are real-world project cars listed right now. Rough, honest, and priced for the man who'd rather spend his Saturday in the garage than on the couch. No dealer markups, no polished lies. Just 10 legends waiting for a comeback. Number 1. 1958 Ford Fairlane, Nashville, Tennessee, $2,800. A heavy-hitting interceptor with a healthy heart. This Fairlane features the 352 FE V8. The seller has owned it for 4 years and done the hard work. A new Edelbrock 4-barrel carb, fuel pump, and freeze plugs. It fires up first lick and reportedly doesn't leak. However, it still has the original brakes from when it sat in a field for 6 years, and it needs a radiator. It has a clear title and a solid history. Finding a titled 50s Ford with a running FE big block that doesn't leak is a massive head start for any restoration. Number 2. 1974 Lincoln Mark IV, Flowery Branch, Georgia, $2,900. A low-mileage barn find with the big 460. With only 58,000 original miles, this Lincoln was an estate purchase that had been sitting since the 90s. The interior is in awesome shape, and the power options actually work. It runs off a bottle but needs the fuel system cleaned. Note, there is no title, and you'll find some bubbles under the vinyl top. Even without the title, the low-mileage 460 V8 and C6 transmission are worth the price. It's the ultimate cruiser for someone who knows how to navigate the paperwork. Number 3. 1977 Chevrolet Classic, Monte Carlo, Waterbury, Connecticut, $2,500. A rare 3-speed manual small block. This is a project through and through. It's a V8 car, but uniquely equipped with a 3-speed manual on the floor. It runs, but the brakes are non-existent, and the trunk floor needs a lot of work. The seller is straight to the point. Cash only, no time wasters. Most of these came with slushbox automatics. Finding a mid-70s Chevy coupe with a factory manual gearbox makes this a cool, oddball project for a hot rod build. Number 4. 1977 Chevrolet Nova, Raleigh, North Carolina, $2,500. The turnkey budget cruiser. While most of this list needs a trailer, this one-owner Nova is described as turnkey ready. It's powered by a straight-six motor that runs great, paired with a smooth shifting transmission. It has a clean title and only 75,000 miles. If you want to drive while you project, this is the one. It's a clean straight-six survivor that's perfect for a daily driver or a future V8 swap candidate. Number 5. 1971 Ford Torino GT, Gambrels, Maryland, $2,500. An H-code 351 Cleveland project. This is a real GT with a 351 C2 barrel. The body panels, hood, fenders, and quarters are said to be good, and the engine spins but won't start. Note, there is no title, though it was last registered in Virginia in 1990. Torino GTs are muscle car royalty. Even as a parts car, the GT-specific hardware and the 351 Cleveland make this a high-value grab at $2,500.
Six. 1960 Pontiac Bonneville, Wildemar, California, $1,500. A West Coast wide track project. The seller is honest. It's a project or a parts donor. It has rust in the trunk and rockers, but it comes with a good rear window. The engine compartment is complete, but the mechanical condition is unknown. It does not run. California cars usually have better frames than anything in the Rust Belt. At $1,500, it's a cheap way to get into a 1960 Pontiac, a year known for some of the best styling in the industry. 7. 1970 Chevrolet Impala, Stella, North Carolina, $1,200. A parts-heavy bargain for the SPC fan. No title here, so it's being sold for parts or a builder. It features a 350 V8, likely from a truck, with a 4-barrel carb and a 3-speed idle. It comes with a load of new interior pieces, carpet, seat covers, and even long tube headers. The extra parts alone nearly cover the $1,200 price tag. If you have a titled 70 Impala that needs an interior and a drivetrain, this is your one-stop shop. 8. 1963 Ford Galaxy 500, Jefferson City, Missouri, $1,300. Big block power, budget price. This Galaxy features a 352 V8 with power steering and AC. It hasn't been driven since the 80s, but the motor turns freely. It has a clear title, though you'll be dealing with rusty floors and quarters. A titled Big Block Galaxy for $1,300 is a rare find. It's the perfect candidate for a ratty cruiser or a full metalwork restoration. 9. 1975 Chevrolet Corvette, parts car, Lamoille, Illinois, $2,000. The C3 Parts Gold Mine. This one is being parted out, but $2,000 might take the whole lot depending on what's left. It features the highly sought-after tilt telescopic steering column, valued at $800 alone, and good body panels. C3 Corvette parts are expensive. If you're rebuilding a 75, buying this entire lot is cheaper than ordering individual components from a catalog. 10. 1975 Chevrolet Corvette, titled Starter Project. Unlike the last one, this 75 Vette has a clear title and was running as recently as last summer. It comes with a shop full of interior parts and an orange-on-black color scheme. The seller simply has no time left for the project. A running titled Corvette for $2,500 is the bottom of the market. This is the entry-level ticket into Corvette ownership for someone willing to put in the sweat equity. "10 cars, 10 chances to keep a piece of history on the road." Some of these will be back on the asphalt by summer, and others, well, they might just be parts for the next build. That's the reality of the hobby. If you saw something here that sparked a memory or a new project idea, let me know in the comments. Which one would you trailer home? We're keeping it real, keeping it cheap, and keeping the dream alive. I'll see you on the next list.